name is Lieutenant Commander Artemio Manalo Abu of the Philippine Coast Guard. I am presently the Station Commander of Coast Guard Station in Puerto Princesa City in Palawan. And concurrently, I am the Technical Advisor to the Task Force Solar Oil Spill in Guimaras. Dalhousie University is the premier university in the North Atlantic. I would say that every moment I spent in Canada was so memorable, especially the time when I was elected as the class vice president and I was given the chance to exercise my leadership potential. All the memorable experiences that I had in Canada has given me the reasons to say that Canada is the most conducive place to study and certainly the best place to live in.